In this video, I'm going to show you how to list an item onto your Facebook Marketplace. First, you want to click Facebook Marketplace, and then you want to click Selling, this button over here. Now you want to click on this button, Create Listing. You want to click one item, and here you'll just need to add like a photo of the item, the listing. I don't have any photos yet, so I'll just put, for example, as an example only, this photo, and I'll put the name of the listing. Let's say it's like a car, or it's a fridge, for example. Then put the price, $60, and then you can put whether it's new or used, and any description if you want to add, and then you want to add the location if you want. And after you finish, you want to click Publish, and that's it. So if you go back here, it will just update on its own. So as you see, your listing has been added. So if you click on it, this is your listing, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.